Hey everyone, it's Angelica and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna draw the eyes, brows and lips of this beautiful girl. If you didn't watch the video where we draw the skin, you can click the link in the description below and watch it as well. Now, I really want to thank all of you guys for commenting on my last video and for subscribing. That means a lot to me and I want to make more and more videos, so I promise to be more consistent and to upload more videos here. Also, this tutorial is going to be really quick. I didn't even use the reference photo here. I hope that's not a problem for you. I hope you will enjoy it. Let me know in the comments whether you liked it or not and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Let's take the light blue color from our palette. You can find it in the description below. And let's create another layer, put it underneath the sketch one and above the skin one. And let's start coloring with the filling brush. Now let's lock this layer and let's take the next color and the body brush one and let's add the shadows for the eyes. When using this brush, we don't press too much, we just draw slightly with it. Now let's take the next color, which is darker, and let's add the darker shadows and add them on a smaller part. As you can see, I very often zoom out, so that's because when you zoom out the whole picture, you can see, is it okay, does it look good or not? Because when it's very zoomed in, you can't really see if it looks good overall. Now let's create another layer and make a clipping mask. Let's take the next blue color and let's color with the filling brush. Let's color our iris. Now let's make alpha lock and let's take the darker color and add the shadows as well with the body brush one. We add the shadows to the top, also to the side parts, as you can see, just a little bit, and a little bit in the middle. Now let's add the highlights. Let's take the previous color and make it brighter. Let's take again the body brush one and let's add the highlights like this. I think it already looks very good. Now let's add even brighter highlights. Let's go to the layers and add a layer to the top. Let's take the white color and continue drawing. Let's add the highlights here. And I think we can add some more to make them look more alive. And let's add a little bit more details to them. I think they look very, very good. That's all for the eyes. Now let's go back to these layers and merge them. And now we can continue with the eyebrows, which will be, of course, the easiest ones. We unlock this layer, take the brown color, and let's take the sketch brush one, and let's just color the eyebrows. And now let's continue with the lips. Let's take this color, the filling brush, and let's color. Now let's take the next color, which is darker. Let's take the body brush one and let's add the shadows. Only don't forget to make alpha lock on this layer. And let's add the shadows. We make the whole top lip darker and add the shadows to the corners. To the bottom as well. And of course to the center of our lips. At this point, I just look how it looks better, and I just try to add in different parts so to see how it does it look better. Now let's add the highlights. Let's take the next color, which is brighter, and let's continue drawing. Now let's take the blue color and let's add it to our lips to make them look better. But let's better take this one because it's brighter. Remember not to press too much, just a little. And now let's add even brighter highlights. Let's take the white color and let's go to the top layer and let's add the white color. And our lips are also finished. Now let's see if there's maybe anything else we can add. I would add a little bit of detail on our eyebrows. Let's take this color. Let's try adding a little bit of detail like this. I think it looks better. And we play a little bit more with it to see how it looks better. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. If so, let me know in the comments. And see you next week in the next video.